Okay, so we are on number 1 over here. It says, what is the icon called that allows you to quickly navigate to Google Classroom, Google Slides, and Google Docs fast? So what we're going to do first is we're going to go up here and we're going to open a browser. And you can see right here, if you're not, you might have to enter www.google.com. But you can see that over here on the side, and I've talked about this in other videos, is that we have our Google Apps. And this right here, it looks like a puzzle and has a bunch of pieces in it. This icon will allow you to go to all of your school apps. So you will have on it your Google Classroom, your Drive, everything right here. So instead of typing on here, Google Classroom, which would take a while to go, and then you're trying to figure out which one to click and all this good stuff. Instead, you just click right here, your Google Apps right here, this, okay? So let's go back over there and answer that question. So what is the icon called that allows you to do this, okay? And like I said, if you put your little mouse over it, it says it's called Google Apps. So we're going to go ahead and type that on number A, Google Apps. All right, and where is this icon located? And again, if we go back to our Google right here, our browser on Google is located in the top right corner. So we're going to go ahead and write that. We're going to go B. It is located in the top right corner of Google. Okay, and then it says down here, what does it look like? And like I said, I like to say it looks like a puzzle. So we'll go ahead and put that. We'll put, it looks like a puzzle. Okay. And, I think it's like a puzzle with a bunch of pieces in it. But if it reminds you of something else, feel free to write that, because it's just getting you to memorize when you open up every time your browser, you just click that real quick. Okay. And that's going to allow you to go to your Google Classroom and other things. And we'll talk about that in number 2. All right. That's it for number 1. Thank you.